What's up, ladies and fellow tradesmen and tradeswomen? Stay and watch this video to the end. I advise you. Some people may want to listen and get involved, but that's neither here nor there. Those who don't, they just miss out. There's going to be some important messages in this video for some people, and they may be interested in it. Let's put it that way. But I warn you now, the message is more important than the visual part. The video is very shaky. I didn't realize it until I rewinded and watched it after, recording it. I wasn't doing it over again, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, come on now. I mean, shoot. I think there's a certain group of people that can appreciate my natural way of things, that I'm not trying to be flashy or anything like that. I'm not no goddamn movie editor. I never said I was, so I know I got some things I gotta work out. I got some issues to handle, but I do enough goddamn movie editing on my damn window cleaning videos. Isn't that enough? So y'all gonna have to either listen, and for those who can watch, there's a little extra treat for those who can actually watch and listen and pay attention, because this is very important, maybe to some of you, but some, it might be old news. I spoke to y'all about this before, about route work. Don't be afraid to do route work and put your time in. And here's the reason why I'm saying, if you put time into that and effort into that, you will reap benefits. Yeah. All right, back to what I was saying about the route work. The reason why you want to put your time in route work, it will pay for itself. Now, when you're at a homeowner's house, you can't meet different people. And while you're working out there in route work, here's the best part. When you're working, you don't have to solicit or go look for jobs. As long as you're working with those tools, people are looking. Kids and adults, grown kids, all sorts of walks of life are looking at us twirl them squeegees around, and they are perplexed. They are amazed at how we clean the window so fast and so good. So it's show and tell. So if they didn't know you, by watching you, they do know you now. They at least know how you clean and how you take pride in your work. And that's all they need to know. The personality comes second. So, and when you're dealing with money, it'll make anybody put a smile on their face and be nice. You'll know how to talk to people then. But one case scenario, there'll be many scenarios that you'll run into. As long as you're out there, if you don't have route work, I don't care, fake the funk. Walk around with your tools on. You have your uniform. Some people don't have a uniform, but that would be a little bit more difficult to get work if you don't have a uniform representing what you're doing. Now, if you want to represent what you're doing, if you don't have a uniform yet, then I suggest you get one, but all is not lost. You can walk around with your tools on, fake the funk, and still have people asking questions. If you want to still look productive, go and clean some windows, even though you don't clean them. Go and clean it. You see a crowd of people or a bunch of people, go do some window and say, hey, would you like a card? You can initiate the conversation. Or someone will always have something smart or nice to say. Oh, it's too hot out here. Oh, you missed a spot. You could take that quote any way you want and turn it around in your favor. You can't do that at somebody's house because ain't nobody asking those questions at a house. So that could be a door opener and actually say, yeah, I missed the spot. I was saving it for later so I can come back or something. I do houses too. Would you like a card? But I tend to be a little bit more thorough. I don't miss spots on houses, only on storefronts. And you know, it might make them chuckle, put a laugh on their face. But these are just ideas. So a nice lady, I was cleaning a Firestone, she was watching me work the whole time. And down the street, she lives at an apartment complex. They have somebody come out once a year just to do the outside. It's a 3-story building. The only reason why she thought of me is because this company wanted to do the inside and they're charging them to do the outside as the same as the inside. So, because they don't want the inside done. Not everybody wants you inside their apartments. So, based on that alone, they took advantage of the apartment complex's ability to want to have the windows done once a year, because they know they're not going to get the inside done. They turned around and said it's still the same price, whether you get it done or not. So I don't know if any of you's ever done that. I've never heard of that, but I'm not surprised. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you guys have heard of that. So now I may get the job. I told the lady, guarantee you my job, my quote will be just for the outside and not for the in and out, even if you don't want it or not. So my price is going to be a lot better and a lot more affordable for you guys. So she said she's going to give it right to the, so I may have gotten an apartment complex. Matter of fact, I'm kind of certain I do, because this company is taking advantage, and it's a shame they're doing that. But I'm the nice guy, and I'm going to finish last. And I do mean nice guys finish last, but that's okay. I may be a turtle, but I'm going to win the race. There you go. Macafracka. Peace, peace, peace.